How to insert music into Google Slides. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open your Google Slides. After your Google Slides are ready, simply go to Share button on the video you want to add in. Copy the link of the video music, then simply go to Insert and then click on Video. In here, paste the URL you copied earlier. You'll find same video. Click on the video and then click on Insert. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Resize the video just so you can hide it. After doing that, in Play, make sure it's automatically. Do same with all the slides. Copy the video and paste it in other slides. And that's how you insert music into Google Slides. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.